Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see a strategy which I have created. Uh, this strategy is completely based on RSI indicator and candlestick patterns, which will also include volume. So this strategy and indicator catches the complete movement before it starts. So you can see here it's given a short signal and it has closed trade here at 12:20 today. This is we are recording on 26th September 2025. So same way previously there was another signal for long which was there at 3:3 and it was closed on next day 9:33 a.m. So it was a small movement, but it has captured. You can see, but if there is a huge movements, the indicator will capture it. We see here on 23rd 11:27 a.m. it has taken a long trade, and on on 23rd September at 2:15 it has closed the trade. It has captured the complete movement. It has captured the complete movement. So now I'll show you the strategy backtest results. So the strategy is okay. I'll tell you before how this strategy works. This strategy takes the trades based on the RSI indicator, based on few conditions, few entry conditions, and it will consider the volume. If volume is high as per the given entry conditions, it will take the trade. Also, it will check for few candlestick patterns. So here in backtest, we are checking for Banknifty. So here Banknifty futures. So you can see here in the strategy, the profit factor is 2.87. So this is a complete good strategy, and profitable trades is around 72% profitable. Out of 229 trades, 165 trades were profitable. Like 165 trades were positive, and other remaining trades were negative. It has taken only 229 trades in the time span of from February to September. It's around 8 to 9 months. In 8 to 9 months, it has just taken to 29 trades, and equity drawdown is around 38,000 only, and profit is around 6 lakh. This is for one lot. You can see here. You can see the chart here. So all these trades are delivery, like carry forward trades. It will just take the advantage of buy and hold as well, like buy today, sell tomorrow, or sell today, buy tomorrow trades. And if you see the performance tab, you can see here the overall the strategy's gross profit was around 9 lakh, but gross loss were 3 lakh. So similarly, this strategy's drawdown is 38,000. And if you see the number of winning trades, it is around 165 trades is winning, and losing trades 64 trades are we have lost. So total percent profitability is 72%. So largest winning trade is 57,000, largest losing trade is 10,000. So before going to this all, I'll tell you what is the parameters for the strategy. So this strategy takes the RSI 14 moving average and 9 moving signal, and stop loss is 200 for Banknifty, and we are using volume filters, so 34 and 3. So for exit we are using volume filter as 3, and for entry we are using volume filter as 34. So based on this, it will take the trades. If you see here, like I have given all the input parameters for each and every index, including Bitcoin. So for Nifty I have given the parameters here, and for Banknifty I have given here, and natural gas and Bitcoin I have given all this. So with these parameters, the indicator performs better for these 6 symbols. You can play around these values as well. You can play around these values and you can find the one which suits you. So currently now the natural gas market is live. You can see here we are natural gas chart, and the market is open. If you see here around 5.9 we have taken a short trade and it has captured this complete movement here. And I have connected this one to the TradeTron. Let me go to my TradeTron. So you can just check here. So here in natural gas at 5:12, so that is here the time is 5:09. So that is what when the candle closes and when new candle opens, it is 5:12. The closing time of this candle is the opening time of this candle is 5:09 and the closing time of this candle is 5:12. So at 5:12 the trade has taken, we have taken short trade at 287.80 price. And if you see here in the here we have taken trade at 288. There is a minus slippage. So slippage is we can't take care of slippage. Slippage will be there for all the in every system. So we have 0.3 slippage and trade is running on. So now there is around 6,250 profit, and if you see here in the strategy there is around 6,750 profit. So the trades from here and the trades which we take in the TradeTron based on the signals are exactly similar. Only thing is that there will be minus slippage which we have to consider that. Yeah, so you can see here previous day there was a big huge gap up. You can see the gap up here. Our indicator has captured this complete gap up. We have taken a long here. If you see here bottom, if you see here is bottom on 25th September 22:48, around 10:48 we taken long, and next day at 12:20 it has closed the trade around 41,000. It has given profit. I have deleted our strategy in the TradeTron and redeployed. That's why we are not seeing any trades taken here. So we have deployed today on 26 September, redeployed after making few changes in the coding part. So that trades are not showing here, but signals are completely based on the trading view. And we take trades on Heikin Ashi candles, and in 3 minutes this strategy works best in Heikin Ashi and 3 minutes candles. So this indicator captures the complete movement of the indexes completely. So if you see here, there is another trade taken long, and it is minor movement. It has captured the movement. So same thing, there is short trade here and it has closed here. So similarly it will take trades based on the RSI, volume and the candlestick patterns. I can give you the trial access for this indicator. You can please ping me on my mail ID which is shared in the description and comment section. I will share the indicator for you. You can try this for yourself. If you feel this video was good and this video was valuable, please like and share. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. See you soon. Thank you.